What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we can't be watching King said the craziest yacht party ever. Before we get started, I know you all probably like why he hasn't reacted to the other King said videos. Reason being is because I don't really like long videos. I was going to do one, but I was going to watch one of them, but I actually going to react to another one. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we're about to get into this video. See what King said talking about.
We're about to go take this tour.
A little one harassing me, as you can see in the background. Bell. Go ask y'all.
Show them, go. They go. Ooh, this shit. Oh, they got this stuff, man. I gotta open that up for me. Hold on. Let's keep going down.
The attention chances be crazy. Go ask your grandmother.
This shit wrong, boy. Oh shit, this shit really this shit really need a captain for real. No, man, you know we do it big every time. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate everybody for the love. Appreciate all y'all for the support. I would not be here if it wasn't for y'all. I would not be here if it wasn't for my dog. So everybody, we got 4 yachts today, man. We partying.
4 yachts.
This one hold 26, the other hold 13. Do the math, man. We got a whole entourage. A lot of people support me, and I support a lot of people. So I appreciate y'all.
I had a feeling him and Smooth Geo was going to be back together. Reason being because wasn't that the reason why Diamond was the reason why they had a conflict? That ain't my business. Okay, I see you in the background. Okay, I see you. Oh, look at that joint in the background. We see you. I know this gotta be copyrighted. I know this stuff gotta be copyrighted. I know it do. Because it happened to me before. I'm not letting this happen again. Them wigs are true. That's some Florida shit for real. So question. With these wigs, right? How do it go about everything? Like, I'm curious, very, very curious. Like, how do you women go smack at dude, or when dudes go out, you be like, oh my gosh, I like your wigs. Like, it's basically, you just put some doo-doo. No offense to anybody with wigs. My cousin got wigs. They can keep that shit.
Bottom thing, back to back. On the one boys at by the finally. Motion, know that. Been that. Every I swear to God, my dog 25, big fat legend. I swear to God, big 22, man. Big 22, man. And this ain't been going on all year, man. It's my birthday birthday, man. Hey, what we doing?
He turned up. You know, when a foreign person, most of Africans or Haitians or something, when they get turned up, they eyes get big as shit. I didn't realize this, and they eyes be, yeah, man, yeah.
My birthday with your kids, you did, man. Happy birthday, King Sid. How old you turned out? 22. Okay, 22, you did.
I think they subscribe. So you can't.
If my birthday, I can touch
This thing gotta be rated PG all the time. It's like it ain't nobody getting nothing. They got me choking in this joint.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Tell her don't do that.
Step there. Okay, I see you in the background. Okay, I see you. Okay. It's a bunch of, okay. Play the camera.
You're not up next, you is up right now.
And we had nigga 4-5 votes, nigga. Name some other niggas doing this, man. We really
They be
poppin'.
like YouTuber, hey, YouTuber rapper, first YouTuber rapper lost their life.
We like that.
Oh, that must be his girl or something. She gave me girlfriend, boyfriend.
You know what I'm saying? Memories.
Drew, that's not real.
Look how all
You see how his hair is right here? You see how his hair? I want that style so bad. I want that style so bad. My hair get long, that's what I'm gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it yet. They get longer than that. It gotta be like this time around, I'm gonna have my hair long. My hair was long as shit. Oh, they got their console. They gone crazy.
Oh shit, man, you know my nigga's birthday, man. You know this, man. Every time, you know, motion boy, motion guy, however you call it, however you say, you know what's going on, man. Motion man, man. Happy birthday, Sid, man. You know what's going on.
You gonna say something?
Yeah, they tell you already know. Little big sis in the building. Happy birthday. I love you, love you, love
That's
you
your
with all
sister?
my heart. You already know.
Hey, man, big shout out
That's
to
your
my
sister,
brother.
Slim?
King said, man, big
Oh, it must be
22
places.
going off for a year, bro.
Happy birthday to my dog, man. My brother, my slime, all that, man.
Happy birthday, King said.
Big 22.
Even though it was last week.
Y'all come alive. Everybody knows you're
Okay. She got that. I got it. Oh, that thing popped out. That's why you looking like that, huh? Yeah, okay. Please don't let me get the 18 and over. They got like was lit in that drink though. Here come Tunky. Oh shit! Yeah, them. Only her. What am I watching? I bet you most of this is copyrighted. Crystal ass camera though. I said camera. I meant to say camera. Coming back tomorrow with big and better. You know, we're gonna have a bunch of videos dropping tomorrow, just like yesterday. We dropped like 5. We're gonna come out. I got some videos I'm gonna react to. So watching that.
Yeah, this might be King Sid, but like the school shooter version. Like.
We will be watching this tomorrow. We will be reacting to this video tomorrow. So stand by. I know it's been 2 days. I probably like, you know, I'm gonna be on tomorrow, 3-day weekend. So you know we gonna get into it. So we don't have to really talk about this. You already know what it is. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and yeah, we're gonna definitely get into that tomorrow. And I got some other videos we're gonna get into. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.